When your iPhone battery drained out, it is usual that you charge your device via a charger to make it be full of energy. But what if your charger is broken or you do not have a charger at that time? There are some methods for you to charge your phone without a charger. 1. Use an alternate power source. 1. Portable battery. Choose the correct portable battery model to match your phone's cable. Connect the phone to the battery using a USB cable. Turn on the battery packs, and it will charge your phone until depleted. Recharge for future use. 2. Camping charger. Try a camping charger if your iPhone runs out during outdoor activities. It converts heat from camping burners into energy, a handy alternative when power banks are unavailable or depleted. Consider it for your next adventure. 3. Solar charger. Solar energy gains popularity for being clean and convenient. Consider a solar charger, harvesting direct sunlight as its source. Place it outdoors during the day, and when your iPhone needs a charge, connect it for an eco-friendly and efficient power boost. Worth a shot. 4. Hand crank machine. Consider the hand crank machine as a last resort for charging your iPhone. While more labor-intensive than other methods, connect the machine to your phone via USB. Crank the lever to generate power. This process takes about 3-4 hours. 2. Employ a car charger. On long trips, if your iPhone dies and finding a charging source seems impossible, use the car charger. Plug it in with a USB cable, and despite slower charging, stay connected without disrupting your journey. 3. Turn to your laptop or PC. Charge your phone via computer effortlessly with a USB cable. Plug it into your iPhone, connect to the computer, and charging begins. It's a simple method, but you need access to a computer for a power source. 4. Use other devices with USB ports. When a computer isn't handy, use devices with USB ports like TVs or clocks as an alternative power source. Plug your iPhone in with the USB cable for charging. Remember to carry your cable with you. 5. Make a lemon battery charger. To charge your iPhone with DIY lemon battery charger would be the most innovative and interesting one. You can try it in your leisure time even if you have no need of charging your phone.